I'm Sheila and welcome to my channel. Went online to Stitchfix and signed up and I just received it in the mail. I'm excited. Let's open this first Stitchfix box and see what I got. Okay, so here we go. Here's the box. I'm gonna open it now. My heart's beating a little bit. Let me show you guys what it looks like. Here we go. First Stitchfix box. This is the bundle. Some pretty colors. Yeah, I need some color in my life. Okay, there's an envelope here. Should I open it? Yeah, okay. Let's do this. It says, "Hi Sheila, happy Fix Day and greetings from Minnesota. I hope that this fix finds you well. I am so excited to be styling you today for your first fix. That is incredible that you are starting a YouTube channel. Be sure to let me know what you and your viewers think about these pieces. Good luck with this video. I'm excited to see how it turns out. Cheers, Jasmine." Oh, that's so good. She actually looked at my other videos and seen what I like. Okay, let's get to opening this. I'm getting more excited. Oh my God, I feel like a kid at Christmas time. Okay, I know this is the prices and stuff, and so all the other girls, they wait till after they try everything on to look at the prices. So I'm not gonna look at this right now. I'm gonna just look at the items and see how they look. My heart is beating. Is this normal? It's only clothes. Okay, the first item is a white pair of jeans. Oh, I can't wait to try these on. Okay, I'm funny about white jeans. We'll see how this turns out. I'm either gonna love them or I hate them. There is no in between with me on white jeans. So I really hope I like them. On to the next. This looks like it might be a shirt. Yeah, okay. It's a pretty, it's kind of like a reddish maroon. It has these pretty cross details on the back, if you can see that. Can you see that? Is it showing up on the video good? Yeah. Yeah, this is from Colette. It's called a Lorraine back detail knit top. Oh, it's in an orange red in a size large. Okay, can't wait to try that on. They got some florals. I love florals. Okay, I'm like a romantic girl in my heart, so like I'm always have a soft spot for florals. Oh, I think I'm really gonna like this one. Oh yes, it is a definite off-the-shoulder floral shirt. As you can see the shirt I got on right now. See, it's very girly detail-y. That's me. This is what I like. And this, look at this. They got little tie bows. Let me see if that shows up for you. Let me see who makes this. This is made from Status. Grassley off-the-shoulder blouse in a navy. Can't wait to try that on. That definitely, come on, you know, that would look really cute with some white jeans. Here comes another shirt. Let me hold it up for you guys. Oh, this looks like a pretty tank top. This looks nice and pretty for summer. It looks like it has some ruffled details right there, like it's layered, and it's got a pretty yellow and leaf prints on there. This is from CALEY, and it is called a CALEY ABAGAIL tiered top in an off-white. Can you see it good, guys? I hope I'm showing these clothes nicely for you. But I will be trying them on, so you will see them all on me. Okay, one more piece, and this has to be the kimono. Let's see. I have been trying to find a kimono for me, and I haven't had any luck. So hopefully, maybe I'll get lucky this time. It's in a pretty yellow color. The only thing I have the trouble with these is they kind of like, I don't know if it's in my head or what, but they kind of like always remind me of a bathrobe. But I really want to like one, and I really want one. So let's see, maybe this will look really cute on me and I won't see a bathrobe. Okay, It's very sheer with beautiful flowers, very feminine again. Okay, like if nothing does it, this pattern should do it. This Emery Park CALEY Open Kimono in a yellow. All right, now let's get on to the try-on portion of the video. Wish me luck, guys. Okay, now we've tried everything on, and I'm going to go over the prices with you guys, and I'm going to show video footage of me wearing the items as I go through the prices. Okay, up first is the white pair of jeans. Now, when I opened the box, I told you straight off, I either love jeans or I hate them. You can pretty much see in my face which way I go with these. I love them. I love them. I love them. I love them. Now let's look at the price. Okay. The Jennifer skinny jeans are $88. Now that's a little high end for me. I usually don't pay. I know a lot of women out there, $88 is a good price, but for me that's a little bit high end. But I'm really thinking I'm gonna buy these. I really like them. In the video you can see they were super stretchy and comfortable. The material is 68% cotton, 8% rayon, 20% polyester, and 2% spandex, and they just felt awesome on. I felt like I could do jumping jacks. I could get down into squats. I think there's parts of the video, I don't know if it's going to be shown what I end up showing you, but I was doing squats in these jeans. They were comfortable, cute. All the pockets are functional pockets. You can't see through the jeans at all. This was from the company Pistola. I don't know that company, but I'm saying I'm a fan. I like these jeans quite a bit. And yeah, so we'll see what I do when I check out. I'd love to hear your opinion on what you guys think about the jeans. Let me know, please, because I'm really liking these, but I like to know what you guys think. And then with the jeans, I tried on this floral off-the-shoulder shirt. Jasmine, I like it too. Oh, these were the two, I put this shirt on with these jeans, and you can see me in the video. I felt lovely. I thought the outfit looked so nice together. I thought that shirt, it has these white flowers that just picks up with the white jeans. In the video, I was actually like, one of the things I don't like about off the shoulder tops is if you raise your arms a lot, they'll pop back up. This shirt did not do that. It stayed down. I was moving my arms. It was not popping up. It has a nice curved hemline. Oh, I'm supposed to be going over the price too. Yeah, this Status Grassley off the shoulder blouse in navy. It was a size large. It was $44. Yeah, but it's very thin. What is it made out of? I don't even, it doesn't say. I don't see a label what it is, but it's a very thin material, very lightweight, just easy breezy. I mean, oh, in the bow ties, lovely. I love this shirt. I thought it was pretty. I thought it was feminine. I put it on with the white jeans, and Jasmine, seriously, you knocked it out of the ballpark with this one. I'm seriously thinking I'm gonna have to keep this outfit. Now on to the shirt. This striped shirt from Colette. I tried this on also with the white jeans, I believe. I kept the white jeans on with this because I figured with the white in it, it would pick up nicely. Yeah, so I like this shirt a lot too. It's very comfortable and stretchy. It's rayon and spandex, so yeah. I like this shirt. I thought it was comfortable. I liked the way it laid on me. The only part I didn't like the way it was laying was like right at the jeans. Like you could see the belt, the buckle, or yeah, the button. So I just tucked it in and then that kind of solved that problem. Okay, this shirt is from Colette. It's the Lorraine back detail knit top in orange red, and that was in a size large, and that was running $34. Now, Jasmine, I think you knocked it out of the ballpark with this one too, but unfortunately, I already have shirts like this. So I definitely won't be buying this, but it's a lovely shirt. It felt good on your skin. I like the neckline, nice. I don't like a lot of things around my neck tight, and this, like, it had a very good neckline on it, but I just already have shirts like this, so yeah. Okay. Okay, and on to this shirt next. This was the CALEY ABAGAIL tiered top in off-white in size large, and this one is $38. On the styling card, they suggested to put a pair of jeans or jean skirts, so I just put it on with a pair of jeans and put it on with some slides. Like I would wear this kind of shirt with some jeans and some slides. So as you can see in the video, that's what I did. Yeah, this is a cute shirt. The only thing I can say about this is it was kind of like it hits right at the top of your pants. So like when you raise your arms, your belly's gonna be showing, and that's not that good of a look for me. But you could easily solve that problem with just putting another little tank. I won't be keeping this again because I have tank tops very similar to this. And then the kimono. Okay, in the styling card, it said pair it with some jeans and a lace top. So I found a lace top that I had in my closet and I put it on with the kimono. Now, as you can see in the footage, I like this too. Like I said, I've been trying to find a kimono that I feel like is not a bathrobe. And this is probably the closest it's ever gonna come to me thinking it doesn't look like a bathrobe. But still, I love it, but still it's in my head. I don't know if it's just me, if other people feel this way, but it's not me. It's just a trend. I love the trend. I think it looks good on other people. It's just in my head. So anyway, the kimono is running at $34. So I don't think I'm gonna be keeping that just because I have my own issues in my own head, but it's a beautiful kimono. I just wish I could get over that. Yeah, so I think the two big contenders for me, it's gonna be the floral top, the off-the-shoulder top, and the white jeans. You did excellent, Jasmine, but the other three I'm gonna send back. So if I end up keeping the jeans, which I'm pretty sure I'm going to, that's gonna be $88, and the shoulder, off-the-shoulder blouse is $44. So that's $134, and then I would get my styling fee waived, so that would be $114. Okay, so I think that's the route I'm gonna go. If I would have kept all five, I would have got a 25% discount. So everything came to $238. I would have got $60 off, and with my $20 styling fee, if I would have kept the whole box, I would be paying $158.50. And if I keep the jeans and just the one shirt, I'm going to be paying $114. Is that what I said? So I don't know. I might just be keeping the jeans. I might just be keeping the blouse. I'm gonna have to decide, but I'd love to hear your comments. Jasmine would love to hear your comments. I think she did an excellent job. Please let her know down below what you think. If you're liking the videos I'm putting out, please click the like and subscribe button below and hit the bell so you'll receive notifications when I put out a new video. Thanks for watching my first Stitch Fix box. It was fun. I loved it. And I think they got me, and I'm going back for another one. All right, bye everyone.